Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I want to show you how to do an easy screenshot on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. So to do this it is very easy, just use these three fingers and swipe down on your screen and here is my screenshot. It is very easy. Let's do it again. Three fingers, swipe down, and here is the screenshot again. Also you can do a partial screenshot, just use these three fingers again, push it long on the screen, and now just select the desired area like this. Okay, and then just tap save, and that's all. You can see now into the gallery the partial screenshot. Here there is. Okay, so it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.